Hello, in this video, I'll take you through how you can math with the simple direct grading method. And let me get straight into it. So on your course page, if you've created an assignment already, or let's just say create an assignment. If you don't know how to do this yet, please watch the creating learning activities video, or I think learning activities demo assignment. And I think I showed how to create an assignment. So what I have here is I've created an assignment already. I'm just going to click on this so that I can show you the settings. Alright, so I've created an assignment already. These are just like normal details you need to fill, your dates and time. Where I need you to go to is where it says grade, and then change the grading method to simple grading method. Simple direct grading, sorry. Right, change it to simple direct grading. And if you click on the drop down menu, you'd see you have two other grading methods you can use, marking guide and then rubric. We'll do that next in the two videos. All right. So make sure this is selected for simple direct grading. All right. And then the feedback type, you also want to make sure that you've selected annotate PDF. If you don't select this, you will not be able to annotate the PDF. You'd only be able to download the PDF and then maybe like mark with another annotating software if you have that saved on your PC. But with this one, you can do it inside Moodle. All right. And if you want feedback files, you can also enable this. Be able to upload files with feedback when that marking assignment. So in case you want to like give feedback um, to a student and you might need to upload some files to the students probably to help them, then you can select this one. But then the main setting here is simple direct because we are doing online marking. So make sure simple direct grading is selected. Click on save and display, and that's that. So you wait for the students to submit, and I've already done that with a student account, and this student has submitted. So you can see submitted for grading. Back to the faculty account, you go to view your submissions, and then you can see all the students who have submitted the assignment, and this student has submitted. So you click on grade, and if annotate PDF is selected, the PDF file would open inside here. All right, the PDF file will open in Moodle. If it is not selected, there will be an option to like you'd see the file name. You click on that and it will download the PDF. So to annotate on that PDF, you need to have either Adobe Acrobat Reader or some other software that allows you to annotate on PDF. And then you'd also have to select the file, the other option that allows you to upload PDFs to the students as feedback, so feedback files. Anyways, so when you open a PDF, so just like you mark your normal scripts with your pen, red pen, and stuff, you can select the tools here. So if, say, you've read this statement, you feel like this statement is not correct, you can select on this stamp here and then maybe select on the cross sign and mark. Just click once and it's done. Advantages of blended learning, you feel like, okay, this one is correct, done, and then this part is correct, done. The other things you can also do, you can maybe highlight or select, let's say, this part and maybe you feel this part there's something wrong with it, you can like just select this like so. You can use a straight line, you can use a pen to write something if you want. This might be easier if you have like a touchpad. So let's say, for instance, you don't want, um, you made a mistake and you mark this one wrong instead of correct. You can just click on this and you'd see a delete icon to get rid of that. And then maybe come back here and select the check and then mark like that. You can also get rid of this like that. You can also, I don't think the go on. Yeah, you can also get rid of this if you don't want it. So you use the select tool here to select on objects that you don't need, and then you click on delete to get rid of them. What else can you do? Comment color. So you can also, okay, shouldn't have done that on top. Let me move this. Alright, let me delete it. So you can leave comments like a sticky note, right? And this one you can just type, okay? And yeah, so delete. Let me delete this. I don't need it. So that is how like um you annotate PDF or you mark online. So this type of marking is called simple direct grading, where you like just go into the PDF and like just do everything manually. Mark, go through the same way we mark, on physical papers. When you're done, you can just enter the grade. So maybe the student got a 50 out of 100, you can just type 50. And then if there are any more feedbacks you need to give, you can like drop it in here. And when you're done, just click on save changes or just save changes and show next. And that'll show the next um, student to grade. So once we are done grading on the student side, if I go back to the student side, let me refresh this page. You'd see that it's the grading status has changed to graded, right? And if I go down here, they would get a copy of the annotated PDF version. All right, and then their grade will be up here. Then graded by option can be hidden. So in case, say you have TAs marking for you, you don't want their names to show. I think you can hide that. And so they just click on this PDF file to download and then open it and let's see what's the yeah. So you can see the annotated PDF, check, and then down there to check. Oh, this video was actually longer than alright, so check. Yeah, then a second check. So that is what they would receive. So any comments you put in the PDF, anything you annotated, they would see it and then use that to make corrections to the assignment. All right, so that is how you do um, simple direct grading.